In 1932, the Australian Army declared war. Their enemy was birds. 20,000 emus were devastating farmland. Desperate farmers called in the army for help. The army's solution? Machine guns. They were confident it would be an easy victory. But the emus were too fast. They dodged the bullets like tactical geniuses. It was a total failure. The international press called it a complete humiliation. In the end, the soldiers withdrew. The emus won the war. What bizarre history should we cover next? Follow for more history stories.